The site you are about to visit was once a functional state quarry where greywacke and quartzite, kinds of rock, were extracted to provide gravel for road construction and maintenance in northern Luxembourg. In 1904, the state started purchasing land in Mäerkels to create the quarry. In 1910, the crushing plant was already in operation with around 25 workers. The industrial complex managed all stages of gravel production. First, workers inserted explosives in holes drilled in the massive rocks. After the explosions, the stone blocks were transported in wagons up to the crushing building. In this structure, there were machines used to crush the rocks until they were the size of a hazelnut. Then they were separated into different categories. The ones that were too small for road construction were sold locally, whereas the others were transported via the Prince Henri Railway to other parts of the country. In 1961, the quarry was closed and the industrial complex was gradually disassembled. After that, nature started to reclaim the area. Nowadays, the biodiversity in this site is even greater than what it was before the quarry.